Welcome to Star Technology 5G. In the last video, we studied how to display numbers using array. In today's video I will show you up and down counter using PIC16F877 microcontroller. Let's start the video. Please subscribe to the Star Technology 5G and click on the bell icon. Project, up and down counter. In this project, 7-segment display is connected to port C. Segments A to G of the display are connected to the microcontroller through 190 ohm current limiting resistors. SW1, SW2 and SW3 switches are connected to RD0, RD1 and RD2 pins of the PIC16F877 microcontroller, and the microcontroller is operated from an 8 MHz crystal. If we press the SW1 switch, it will increase the count. And if we press the SW2 switch, it will decrease the count on 7 segments display. If we press the SW3 switch, it will reset the counter to its default state. Here is the circuit diagram we are using in our project. It is PIC16F877 microcontroller. Pin number 1 is master reset. If we press the switch, it will reset the microcontroller. Port C is interfaced with 7-segment display. And we are using common anode type 7-segment display. All segments are connected with microcontroller through a current limiting resistor. And the value of the resistors is 190 ohm. And common pin is interfaced with positive supply. Pin RD0 is connected with switch 1. Pin RD1 is connected with switch 2. Pin RD2 is connected with switch 3. And that is pull-up resistor. The value of the resistor is 4.7 kilo ohm. Other side of the switch is connected with ground. Pin numbers 13 and 14 are the interface with an 8 MHz crystal, and 22 PF capacitors are connected with the crystal. Pin number 11 and 32 are connected with positive 5 volts. Pin number 12 and 31 are connected with ground volt. Let's draw this circuit in PORTC. circuit is ready. Now we will write its code in Micro PIC. Here is the window where we can write the code. I already wrote the code, otherwise video gets very long. I will copy the code. And I will paste it here. Now I will define you the code. #define. PORTC define PORTC as display. S-bit. SW1 at port D bit 0. This line defines switch 1 at port D pin RD0. S-bit. SW2 at port D bit 1. This line defines switch 2 at port D pin RD1. S-bit. SW3 at port D bit 2. This line defines switch 3 at port D pin RD2. Unsigned char. Number. Define variable named number. Unsigned char. Code 10. This line define data type character array named code and it has total 10 elements. 0x79, 0x24, 0x30, 0x19, 0x12, 0x02, 0x78, 0x00, 0x10, and 0x40. Void upcount void. Upcounter function. Number. ++. Increment the number. Whenever we call the upcounter, it will increment the number variable's value. If number equals 10, number equals 0. If number equal to 10, then set number equal to 0. Void downcount void. Downcounter function. If number equals 0, number equals 10. If number equal to 0, then set number equal to 10. Number. Subtract. Decrement the number. Whenever we call the down counter, it will decrement the number variable's value. Void delay. Unsigned char. Time. Here is function of delay with variable name time. Unsigned char. Y. Define variable named y. For loop. Y equals 0. Y less than time. And increment y. For loop for delay. Void main. Main function. Main code start from here. TRISC equals 0x00. Set port C as output port. TRISD. RD0 equals 1. Set port D pin RD0 as input pin. TRISD. RD1 equals 1. Set port D pin RD1 as input pin. TRISD. RD2 equals 1. Set port D pin RD2 as input pin. Number equals 9. Set initial variable value 0. Dis equals code number. This line find code in array. And send that code to port C. And port C display character on 7 segments display. The initial value of number is 9. So it will display 0 on 7 segments display. While 1. Endless loop. It will repeat code again and again. If SW1 is equal to 0. If switch 1 has press. Call delay wait for debouncing. Call upcounter. Upcounter increment the number. Dis equals code number. This line find code in array. And send that code to port C. And port C display character on 7 segments display. While SW1 equals 0. Stay here while switch 1 has press. Means how long we press the switch it will stay here. If SW2 is equal to 0. If switch 2 has press. Call delay wait for debouncing. Call down counter. Down counter decrement the number. Dis equals code number. This line find code in array. And send that code to port C. And port C display character on 7 segments display. While SW2 equals 0 stay here while switch 2 has press. Means how long we press the switch it will stay here. If SW3 is equal to 0. If switch 3 has press. Call delay wait for debouncing. Number equals 9. Set initial variable value 0, it will reset counter to its default state. Dis equals code number. This line find code in array. And display character on 7 segments display. While SW3 equals 0 stay here while switch 3 has press. Means how long we press the switch it will stay here. Now we will create the hex file. Just click on the build icon. Finished successfully. File is created. Now we will load hex file into the microcontroller. Double click on the microcontroller. Select the hex file. OK. And click on the run simulation. If we press the SW1 switch, it will increase the count. As you can see, count increased. And if we press the SW2 switch, it will decrease the count on 7 segments display. If we press the SW3 switch, it will reset the counter to its default state at 0. If you have any problem with the code, let me know in comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the Star Technology 5G. And keep watching Star Technology 5G.